We are pleased to show you the 2015 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.